Hi, I'm Christina Heideck of Streamline Living, and I don't know about you, but when I kind of get upset, I like to clean things and get things organized. In all fairness, I like to organize things all the time. That is what I chose for my profession, but in certain times like these, I really like to get things more under control in my own space so that I can feel like I know what's going on. And I just enjoy a picked up and decluttered space much more. And since I'm going to be spending a lot of time at home, I figured why not start to clean things up? So I thought it would be really fun for you to see the whole process. And so I'm just going to do these videos when I can, when the kids are not being too loud, so I can show you what to do. But we're going to start off with my bedroom. And this is a space that's not very cluttered, but it's a little messy today, so I thought it would be a good one to start with so you can see what kind of clutter I have going on and how I fix it. So let's check it out. So as you can see, it's a pretty big room, got a lot of stuff that's out of place. And part of this is just because I had a really busy week. Normally it doesn't look like this, but this is on the bad side actually for me. So that was a good one to show you. And so here's what you get when you're all done. I have a little bit more clutter in my husband's clothes chair. I do give him that. Stuff to be ironed, stuff he can wear again, and then everything else got dusted and vacuumed. Clothes got put away. I turned on my little salt lamp. I'm gonna vacuum and clean the dog bed that was there, and now all the baskets are gone. And everything looks pretty good. So I'm pretty excited about this, to have this space all done. On to the next one. If you really enjoyed this video, do me a solid and subscribe so you can be alerted when I organize other spaces and record it and put them up on YouTube for you. So until later, bye-bye.